All right, I am here with Lorentz, and he is all about the Mosquito trike. We've talked about on the Laid Back Bike Report before, but it's a pleasure to come and meet you in person and see what you actually have and maybe describe it for us. So let's start with what's behind us, Lorentz.
Yes, please. So
Let's do this. Let me get this way. No, come. I will just stay like this, and you can point out that way. Yeah.
So this is the Mosquitoes. This is an open source wood trike, tilting trike, with a very interesting mechanism invented by two brothers 15 years ago. And their goal was also not to have a patent on it, but to allow people to reproduce it, to make it open source, which means you can find all the documentation online and build it yourself if you want, or in a workshop if you want to work in a group. It's always very nice experience.
Like a group project if someone wants to do this?
Yeah, in fact, we can go on site and within 4 days, two people can build one Mosquito.
Oh, wow.
So
okay.
It's quite quick and easy. And this was my job, really, to redesign the two brothers' job to make it affordable and quick to build.
Nice.
So this is it now.
Okay, give us a little technical look at how, so obviously it's a tilting trike,
Yes.
A delta configuration. So I guess I want to know what is it modeled after? Was it modeled after a trike that was already on the market, these brothers? Where did it come from?
So back 20 years ago, there was a big move all around the world for people looking for the optimum trike, and the goal was really to have the pilot tilting with the front wheel, which is a directional wing, which allows to a very small chain, not the long chain you often see that goes to the back.
Front wheel drive.
Front wheel drive, exactly, and always aligned with the pilot, so you don't have to really care about the wheel moving between your legs. Mm-hmm. Here, everything is straight in a line, and the quite funny part is in the back there is an articulated trapeze, and this is what allows the rotation. So this is maybe the best invention of the most important invention of these two brothers. So you can see in the back, it's very interesting how it works, and this allows to avoid a ball bearing up here, which means in a mechanical point of view, a very big structure and more weight.
Weight, yeah, okay. And then the mechanism for steering looks like tank. We would call it tank steering.
Yes, yeah? Exactly. So the question is always the same. How do you steer with your legs pedaling in the front? And this is very comfortable, very easy to use. When people test it for the first time, within 100 meters, they already feel confident. So it's really easy, and on the top of it, it's really fun to ride because it tilts a bit in the corner, and yeah.
Well, and you know a little about this because you don't just produce these and promote them. You ride one yourself. So maybe we can take a look here at your personal trike.
With pleasure. Yes. Okay. Mine is just here.
Yeah,
a bit different.
Let's slide over, and Trey will go handheld here. And yeah, tell me about your trike.
So this one has around 4,000 kilometers so far. Unfortunately, we had a little accident, but we really know where it comes from, so it won't happen on your side if you follow correctly the guides. All the building guides are online, available for free again. You can translate it in any language you want. So now it's a repair, so I can go back to the train station tomorrow at 60 kilometers from here. And mine has what we developed recently is a roof here, very nice for the sun, a bit for the rain, of course, for the visibility on top of this, because it's a trike. The position is quite low, so visibility is important, and this helps a lot. Also holds a light, a mirror, etc. And you can also add, which works well now, is a windshield with a windshield wiper. and we also developed the transparent sides, but because it's tilting, the issue with the side is that it's quite sensitive to strong winds.
All right.
So
Yeah.
it's still under reflection.
So yeah, because if you get a lot of side wind, it's going to push this direction, and that's going to take you
Then you, with your finger, you have to counter-react
to the wind gust.
the wind, which if it's a small trip, it's okay, but if it's a strong wind and a long trip, then it becomes a bit tiring.
Lorentz, can we take a quick look at the rear here? You described how unusual. Maybe Trey can come back around, and now we can get a better view back here.
Yes.
And tell us about the trapeze and how this is set up.
So here are two interesting things in my point of view. First, the trapeze. I will move it from the front, so you
Yes,
will
we'll look back
see
here.
it
Yes,
well.
go ahead. Actually, let me go with him. You go ahead and describe.
You see, this is quite a wow effect, we call it.
Yeah.
Because, the trapeze move, and this means a bearing, but a bearing which will be here in the pilot, which will be an issue.
Right.
Or in the back, as I was saying before. And this is a very clever solution to replace it with saving some weight. And the second interesting part is that we don't use ball bearing for this. We simply have some aluminum tubes with low friction coating, and this can go directly in the wood with a little polymer part, plastic part around, and there is a warranty of 10 million cycle with 1 ton load on it, so you can.
It's very robust.
Yeah, it's and very light and very resistant to shocks. So here it's the example of, it's not really a low tech because this coating is quite technical, but something.
It's a simple solution, though, yeah?
Simple and very efficient and light.
Nice. All right. This is so interesting, and I'm very glad to have the chance to meet you and hear more and see the Mosquito in person. So, Lorentz, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Okay. Thanks.